Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Solidworks Studio. Let's start another lecture on SolidWorks. So today we will do the rectangle. How can we draw 2D rectangle in SolidWorks? So first we have to select the sketch plane. So we will go to sketch and then we will select a plane. Let's suppose this time we will select the front plane. Okay. Now here you can see that this is a rectangle shape. Okay, and here you can see there is a small arrow. If we click on small arrow, then here you can see that there are 5 different ways how can we draw a rectangle or parallelogram. Okay, so let's start the first one. Okay, this is the center rectangle. Okay, so you can also get the uh, quick help that will describe how you can draw this rectangle. Okay, so for center rectangle, first we have to select the center of the rectangle. Let's suppose I want to draw this one at the center of at the origin, so I just select the origin and then we need to draw the move the cursor in any direction. See where you will move your cursor, so it will increase or decrease the size of the rectangle. Okay, and now you need to press right click and then select. So now we are exit this command. The next step is we need to give the dimensions. Okay, so we will go to smart dimension and we will select this line. This line, let's suppose, is 100, and this line is also we want to take the 100. Okay, now you can see that we have successfully draw the rectangle of 100 by 100, or we can say this is a square. Okay, so let's suppose I want to change the length of this. I want to convert this into 200. So what we have to do? Okay, if you are here and you want to modify this one, so you just need to double click on the dimension. If you will double click on it, then you will get this modify tool, and here you can put the any value. Let's suppose if I want to make it 200, now you can see that it's converted into 200. So then said okay. So in this way we can draw a rectangle, center rectangle. So for that we must have 2 points. One is center point and other is any corner point, and then it will draw and we can assign the dimensions. Similarly, the next option is corner rectangle. As you can see that we will select one corner and then we will select the other corner. Okay, so let's start. Like we have to select the lower corner and then the higher corner and then go to enter. So in this way we can draw this corner rectangle that will give us a reference point from left bottom corner to right corner, or we can draw from left to right. Okay, let's suppose if I select this one and move this side, or you can move bottom, you can move this side, so any side you can move and you can draw, but it will take the first click as a reference and the second click as a second reference and will draw. And similarly we can give the dimension. As I said that we can select this line or we can select these two lines. Okay, this is 200, and similarly we can select this line. Oh, okay, so in this way we can draw this rectangle by using the line. Okay, but it's depend on the situation. Like sometime we are working with a complicated sketch and we have to get some reference points, so therefore we can use this one. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let's suppose we want to draw a rectangle that will start from here. So if we will select this center rectangle, but this will take the reference from center. If I select here, then here you can see that it will extend like this one. Okay, so if we need this type of image or sketch, then we can use this one. But I want to, so you can press escape to exit from the your existing command. So but I want to draw a that have same corner like the other one from this corner. Okay, so for this we will use the corner rectangle and we will select the first corner. See, now we are able to draw the corner rectangle that will take the first reference at the corner of the other. So that's why we have different options. We can use different commands to construct a object in different ways, but the major concept is that we have to select the best one that will take the minimum time and that will give the accuracy. Okay, so this is all about the rectangles, corner rectangle. The third one is the 3-point corner rectangle. So in this we have to select 3 points. Okay, first we have to select the first corner. Okay, then we have to select the second corner, and then third corner will make its length. Okay, so in this way, let's suppose we want to draw exactly same width of rectangle. So for that we can use this third one. Okay, so we can select this corner, and then go to right side. See, and similarly let's suppose we want to draw a rectangle between these 2 points. Okay, so for that we can also use 3 point. So we can select this point, we can select this point, and then go to down. So that's why different options are available. It depends upon the complexity and the situation of the sketch that we are going to draw. So therefore they provide the different methods. So we have covered these 3 methods. The first one is the 3-point center rectangle. So in this, first we have to select the center, then we select the other part, and then it will extend in this way. Okay, similarly once again select this one. First we select the center, then we select the width. That can be in upper side, in lower side, in left side, and at the bottom side. So it will take the second reference. Okay, let's pause here, and then we have to move to right. So here you can see that this is our rectangle. So take this as a first, this is a second, and then we can increase the size in this way. Okay, so let's move. The next one is parallelogram. So for that, first we have to select a point, and then second point, and then here we can see that we can place it according to our requirement. So you can see as you move the cursor, after giving the first 2 reference point, then you can draw a rectangle, parallelogram at any angle. Okay, so in this way. Okay, so up till now we are just familiar that how can we draw the dimension. We only give the dimension to the length, we don't give the dimension to the angle. So for that, if I select smart dimension, okay, and if I will select this line and this line, so here it will automatically take the angle of these 2 lines. So I can select the angle, said okay. Let's suppose we want to make this angle 45, we can double click on 45 and press enter. So here you can see that in this way we can select the angle. Similarly, if we select this line and this line, then it will automatically take the angle of this one. Okay, so in this way, now you are familiar with how can we draw the angle dimension between 2 lines. Okay, so this is all about parallelogram or rectangle. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video. So in next video we will discuss this option, straight slot, or there are different types of slot that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay.